Okay, I've got 6 shots left, maybe 7. And I've got a couple different things here. As you can see, this really cool old car. I don't think I could ask for a better shot today than this bad boy right here, next to this old crappy house. So I gotta get a horizontal of this, first of all. So we're gonna get a good side shot. So I'm zoomed in all the way to 85. And we'll just get this shot right here. Oh, thank God that guy didn't go first. Now I do want to get a no cars coming. Oh, this is cool right here. There's a shot. Shot here. And that was cool. Okay. I need to get it just, there's no traffic here either. This is awesome. Just get a straight on shot. Yeah, like this. Something like this. There we go. That way we've got the beware of the dog back there. Okay, we've got our Minolta SRT101 with our 28 to 85. Let's see what I can do here. Kind of a neat, not really neat, just a shot. Sometimes just a shot, it's just cool to have a shot. For no particular reason. Why not? The sun's coming out. And I only brought 400 speed film, damn it. There's our shot. Alright, so there's our shot there. Let's see if I can get another shot up here at the top of the building. I'll get that. Zoom in for that. Alright, let's see. Yeah, let me get this shot right over here. Oh yeah, this is actually a better shot. Here's our shot. Alright, I like that. Oh, this is some cool stuff. These shots better come out. This is going to be cool. This is going to be cool. Some interesting stuff here. This wind's really picking up. Okay, this says WCWO Wrestling. Oh my God, a color picture would be awesome. I definitely have to get back. Try to frame it within these trees, which is really pretty cool. So that's what we're working on here. Let's see. Like that. That's cool. Shows a bit of an urban look to it. I don't want to get up closer. And then we've got this John's Famous Stew up here as well. Indianapolis in the background there, as you can see. So this is pretty neat. It's very cool. We get that semi out of there. Okay. Oh man, I can get out here and get that building downtown. Okay, here we go. Here's our shot, framing up. Oh, damn it, I got that semi. Okay, so I'm going to focus on that tree, actually. It's in the middle there. I did not want any cars coming, and here comes the semi, so let me go ahead and focus back over here and get this shot while we're waiting. F8 at 1/500th of a second. Here's our shot before the semi passes. Okay, so let's get back out here. And let's see what we can get here. Yes, very cool, very cool. Nope. Ah, damn it. I was trying to beat those cars, but I zoomed out. So maybe I'll go ahead and go up here and get us a little tighter shot. I like this door the way it is as well. Oh, that's neat. Here's our shot. Okay. Oop, lost the car. cars, but oh, come on, man. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Let's see, I need to get the sign. It'd be nice to get the whole sign in there. Okay, here's our shot. No cars on the interstate. Yeah, there were a few, but that's okay. Very cool. There we go. If I get that whole telephone pole in there, that'd be cool. Okay, here we go. I mean, I'm having to shoot up to get the telephone pole in though. So I don't really care for that, but okay, I don't want to waste too many more shots on that. Very neat, very cool. John's famous stew. Cool. I like that satellite dish. I like that satellite dish, but that's not. They'd be pissed off about. It's a cool sign. Looks like a cocktail sign, but the truck is in the middle. So I wonder if I can. I can't really get it. Let's see. Okay, why not? Yeah, okay. I mean, probably worthless, but still pretty cool. Awesome. Love urban. I love urban. I love urban photography. All right, so we're having fun with our, I don't know if you can see that. I guess I could have showed you this way, couldn't I? Minolta SRT101. I've become a big, huge fan of this camera, and more of a fan of the 28 to 85 lens. I'm never at the, I'm never wide open, 3.5, but I'm never wide open. I'm always in the middle of the lens, 5.6 to f11 typically. So as you can see today, we're working on about 500th of a second, and you can see the clouds and whatnot. I still think that's a cool shot. Okay, anyway. All right, so let's see what else we can come up with. Oops, locked the car. Already at 23 shots, but it's a 36 roll, so excited. Also get to go home and develop this. That's more fun than taking, well, not more fun than taking the photos, but developing at home at HC 110. Love it. All right, next stop. The American flag. Why not? We're shooting, by the way, 2/50th of a second. This is f18. All right, straight up and down, get our shot. Boom, got that. All right, I'll take it. Why not? Shut the car off here because this is a cool place to. Okay, I'm gonna go out in the middle of the road here and actually get a shot of this building here, just the way it is, which is kind of cool. Let's see, this will be a horizontal. Hurry up before any cars come. Okay, here's our shot. Actually, I want to zoom out a little bit, so we'll, damn it. Here we go. Here's our shot. Should be down to about f11. And not directly in the middle, now I'm in the middle. Okay, here we go. Here's our shot. Get out of the road. All right. I'll take that. Now I want to get a close-up one. Oh, there's a cool. Right here, zoom in. Shot, cool. Okay, so we've got this, that's pretty cool. This as well. American flag. Okay, we've got enough. Okay, we got to open this up a little bit more, about f8. Quite a bit of traffic, so I don't feel too concerned about safety, but you just never know. Okay, I'm on 400. Boy, I really wish I had my 100 in here. I thought it was going to be a lot cloudier, but it has opened up. The sun's coming out now. So let's see, I'm going to get this shot here. This is cool. Oh yeah, very cool shot. I'll have to go about 500th of a second. There we go. Back this bad boy to about f8. Okay, I like this. This is very cool. On private property, but I can't imagine they would care. really want that car in there, so I need to keep going over this way. And zoom in a little bit. Okay, there we go. The car is going to be in there, I really can't help it. That's very cool. Go ahead and get a close-up shot of it. It's kind of strange with all these trees. Getting very cool. Here we go. Here's our shot. Boom. That'd be really cool in color. All right. Pretty happy with the roll so far.
220 out of this. Kansas City, Green Bay.
Okay, we got some cool shit here. I'm going down to 250. I like this, Mr. Pizza Man. There we go. Looks like I need to be down about F8 at 2/50th of a second. I always want to check your surroundings. So here we go. Don't want to get any vehicles going by. I would like to pull that out a little bit. Okay, waiting for all these vehicles to pass. Come on, man. I guess I could be ready. Okay, here we go. I'll get ready when this truck passes. Nope. And there we go. Got it. Okay, I want to get this shot of this entranceway here. Again, good thing we are using 400 because the sun coming in and out. So I don't want to be in the shot, so I'm putting myself right there in the door frame. Ooh, I like the way that I need to open this. I better open this bad boy up a little bit. I like the way the heavy dark cloud behind it. So let's get this shot right here. Frame up perfectly and straight up and down. Sign in the middle. And there we go. Got our shot. Let's see what else we can get. I think I might get the front of this building here. Not sure what kind of neighborhood I'm in. Probably not the best. Something like that. That's cool. Look at that building. Not necessarily. What is this? Oh, it's actually a empty building. Sits on this side of it. Yeah, nothing of any value over here. Oh shit. Okay. So I see that corner over there, which looks pretty cool. So let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, I like the zoom. Actually, this works out pretty well. I can zoom right in there. All right, I'll go ahead and get that corner shot. Boom. Yeah, I'll take that. All right, so I think we've used up our spot here. Let's see. I should probably get a different angle of this pizza guy here, though. Actually, yeah, I definitely need to get this. But this car, if that car wasn't in there, let's see if I can get this at this angle without the car. On the, yeah, I can do that. All right, excellent. Here we go. Here's our shot. Straight up and down. Yep. Okay. Looks like about 28 shots. Working on 500th of a second, normally around F8, F11 with our AristaEDU. Look at that hair. Jesus Christ. With our AristaEDU 400. Yes. Okay, this is a bar right here that I'm going to be playing at in a few weeks. Called the 31 Bar and Grill. Looks like it's about the 3100 block, which would be why it'd be the 31. Come on, bus. Across the street here. Ooh, smell the liquor coming up from the beer coming up from the that down there. That thing's probably just a big pool of beer. All right, that was really cool. There's a bus over there that would be neat. You know what? I'm just gonna walk over here and get this shot. I've only got a couple shots left. Boy, I'd really like to get this. It's really cool. Kind of like the way the first house is very, very minimalistic. The second one has kind of a cool old look to it. So we'll just get this. I wish that trash can wasn't there. Zoom in a little more. Oh, what if that trash can wasn't there? That would be just cool, but okay, so I got one shot left. I need to get this, which way would be the best way to shoot this bad boy? I think that maybe even through these trees as a horizontal is pretty cool. But then I lose the sign in the trees. Let's see, oh, nope, can do it this way. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, here we go. Nice frame job. Oh yeah. Okay, you see how the satellite's there and the bar 31 is there. Okay, if that car, I don't like those car lights. There's a car there, he's turning, okay. Now we're good. Okay, let's take this nice horizontal. I'll take that shot. Okay, so we've got our roll of AristaEDU 400 in the SRT101 with our 28 to 85 f3.5 lens. I really like this setup. Becoming very, very, very much one of my favorites, but I also honestly like the Canon AE1, the Pentax K1000, and what else? The Nikon FM10. So it's hard for me to make a choice. But anyway, we're done for today. That was a fun one. I'm really glad we did it. And more importantly, it showed me that I can go out this. I can go out this winter. It's broke. Okay. I can get out this winter. Oh, cap's broke. And do this and find a lot of cool industrial type places. So that's very excited about that. All right, guys, so we're out.